The Porsche 911 has always been more than just a sports car. It is an icon, constantly evolving while staying true to its roots. Now, with the latest 2.2 generation, TechArt steps in to push that evolution even further with a comprehensive customization program designed to make every 911 truly one of a kind. Instead of just seeing a vehicle, TechArt sees a starting point, a chance to express personality, boost performance, and bring out a unique character. With over 30 years of Porsche refinement experience, TechArt delivers a new level of personalization for the 992.2 model by blending motorsport-inspired design with meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The exterior transformation begins with a bold aerodynamic styling package. It includes lightweight carbon fiber or polyurethane and glass fiber composite parts such as front splitters, roof spoilers, redesigned hoods and fenders, and multiple rear spoiler options. These enhancements do not just look aggressive, they are made to boost aerodynamics and presence. Available in both glossy and matte finishes, each piece is crafted with precision and attention to detail that defines TechArt's reputation. Step inside, and the upgrades continue. The interior becomes a canvas for individuality. TechArt's custom upholstery service allows owners to personalize every inch with handcrafted leather, alcantara, custom stitching, and perforated patterns. From bold colors to subtle elegance, the choice is completely yours. Performance also gets a serious upgrade. TechArt offers a new Tektronic power kit for the 911 Carrera, increasing power from 394 horsepower to 504 horsepower in torque, from 450 newton meters to 550 newton meters. Controlled through the standard drive mode switch, this power boost feels natural and safe thanks to full integration with Porsche's safety and assistance systems. Upgrades for the Carrera S and GTS models are currently in their final stages and will be available soon. For better handling and visual stance, TechArt introduces adjustable coilover spring kits. These allow you to fine-tune ride height for a sportier look and improved cornering, without sacrificing comfort. And if you are worried about clearing driveways or steep streets, TechArt's own nose lift system can raise the front end at the push of a button, making everyday driving smoother. Sound is not left out of the equation. The TechArt Sport exhaust system brings a rich, emotional sound experience to the table. With dynamic valve control, the exhaust note adapts to your driving style, ranging from subtle during relaxed cruising to a race-inspired growl when the road opens up. It is designed to be as thrilling to hear as it is to drive. TechArt's latest program proves that the Porsche 911 can be much more than a refined sports car. It can be a true expression of who you are. From head-turning exterior details to engine power, from tailored interiors to soundtracks that raise your pulse, every element invites you to make your 911 a statement. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest in automotive performance and design.